Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Under Armour boys shoe available in size 2, the Under Armour Boys Shadow Select 2 Junior sneaker. If you're looking for a durable, comfortable, and stylish shoe for your young athlete, this might just be the perfect fit. Let's explore why. First off, the Shadow Select 2 Junior sneaker boasts a synthetic leather upper that not only offers durability but also delivers a soft feel, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit for active kids. This design supports a secure hold around the foot without sacrificing comfort, which is essential when your little one is running, playing, or just being on the go. Comfort is clearly a priority in this shoe. It features soft foam padding inside the heel, providing extra cushioning and preventing irritation during movement. Underfoot, an EVA sockliner is included, enhancing the overall comfort with cushioning that absorbs impact and keeps every step light and supported. One of the standout features is the TPU outsole with conical studs. This outsole design is made to deliver excellent traction, giving your child stability whether they're playing sports or simply running around outdoors. The conical studs provide the ideal grip, while also minimizing pressure underfoot, so the shoe feels comfortable throughout the day. The shoe closes with a traditional lace-up system, making it easy to adjust for a secure fit. This closure method ensures that the shoe stays in place during even the most energetic activities, which is a must-have for kids who are always moving. In terms of materials, the Shadow Select 2 Junior is imported and crafted with quality in mind. The rubber sole is built to last, providing durability on various surfaces. The polyester outer material combines lightweight properties with resilience, so these shoes can handle everything from school days to weekend adventures. Sizing for the Shadow Select 2 Junior ranges broadly, but today we're focusing on the size 2, which is ideal for younger kids transitioning into bigger shoes that can keep up with their active lifestyle. The fit is designed to be snug without being tight, offering a great balance between security and comfort. The colorway of this model is a sharp black with Castle Rock and high-visibility yellow accents, creating a sporty and attractive look that appeals to kids who want to stand out on the field or playground. It's a versatile style that pairs well with athletic wear or casual outfits. Overall, the Under Armour Boys Shadow Select 2 Junior sneaker in size 2 combines durability, comfort, and traction in a way that supports active kids. Its thoughtful construction with cushioned foam, EVA sockliner, and reliable TPU outsole makes it a solid choice for parents seeking a high-quality athletic shoe for their boys. If you want a sneaker that offers excellent performance for running, playing, or just everyday wear, the Shadow Select 2 Junior is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.